Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. And if this is your first time here, welcome. And if you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a new tool that you can use to make realistic looking markups for your party favors. If you're interested, stay tuned. Alright guys, so the online tool that we're going to be using is a website called Placeit.net. Now when you go into that website, you're going to click on the markups and it's going to take you here. And as you can see, they have markups for just about everything. If you scroll down, they have markups for cups, paper, phone cases, t-shirts, pillowcases. So if you make any of these, Placeit is a great place to go to make your markups, and they look really nice. But on today's video, we're going to focus on our chip bag markups. And I know a lot of you all watch my videos for my chip bags, and I showed you in a previous video how you can make your own basic chip bag markup for free. I'll link that video in the description box down below. But if you want to step up your markup game and make nice, realistic looking markups, Placeit is a great alternative if you don't have Photoshop or Adobe. This is a great place to start. So you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in chips. As you can see, it comes up. Click here. Now you see there are chip bag markup options. You have one that's leaning, you have one that is flat, and you have one that is standing up. We're going to use this one. Alright, next you can see that you have your markup here. You have your background. You can change the background color. There you have it. My markup is ready and it looks really nice. Now on Placeit is not free. They have two different options. If I wanted to just download this markup, I can pay $7.95, or I can use the option to their subscription where you pay one fee a month and you can download as many markups as you like. Price of the subscription a month is currently $14.95 a month, and it includes all markups, designs, and videos. You also can make markup videos, guys, and plus you get 50% off of all logos. So it's definitely worth the price, especially if you need more than one markup. Right, next I just wanted to show you how you can make the back of your chip bag. And you would do it the same way. You will use a program like Canva to just clip out your two sides and place them together as one picture. So here's what I mean when I said that. You will take a snippet. You can use your snipping tool and just clip out your right side and your left side of your chip bags and put them together as one photo, and then you can upload them here. And now you can just increase the size of it, place it in your middle, Make sure everything fits. Right, here's how your back looks. It looks really good. It looks like I made this over in Photoshop. It looks really nice and professional. Great way to step up your markups. And this is where having a subscription is totally worth it. It's worth paying for it because currently it's $14.95, and without the subscription, to download the back it would have been $7.95, and to download the front is $7.95. So you had to pay $7.95 twice in order to download the front and the back. And with the subscription, you can download an unlimited amount of markups for the entire month for $14.95. So if you're going to be making more than one markup, the subscription is definitely worth the money. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you all found it helpful. And if you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section. And if you're unable to leave a comment because my comments are disabled, it's not I haven't disabled them. YouTube probably disabled the comments because they think my content is made for kids, mostly because of the images that I use. So if that happens and you still have questions, you can email me at latoya@hangingwiththekiddos.com. The website where you can make your markups at is placeit.net. Guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye. Interested in this design, you can find it over in our Etsy shop at Hanging with the Kiddos.